Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to access phone permissions to our applications in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. How to change apps permissions to use our phone. Settings. Now we're looking for security and privacy here. At the bottom we have permission manager. Allow or deny the apps to access features or data on your phone. And here we have a lot of options. We are interested in phone. So right now, 10 out of 17 installed applications are allowed to use our phone functions. Let's change it. For example, I don't want Google to have access to my phone. Tap Google. Don't allow, yes, this little pop-up, do not allow, and Google is now not allowed to use our phone functions. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.